Yes, so very good evening to everyone. Myself, Ms. Arpita, faculty of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear students, in the previous class, we have completed with the first chapter for your syllabus under mental ability section, that is odd man out, isn't it? We have learned the procedure. What is the procedure of that? They will give the four figures. In four figures, three will be sharing a common properties or a features except one. So what is our work is to? Our work is to, we have to take out which does not belongs to the group, and under that we have learned methods of solving. What are the methods we have to use to solve that particular chapter, whether we have to see decreasing or increasing order, we have to see based on size, and we have to see based on rotation, and we have to see based on color, that and all we have learned. And one more we have learned, that conversion is nothing but on what type we will be getting a question, based on size, based on shape, based on position, based on increment or decrement. Okay, and we have solved few problem also, and so we have completed with the first chapter for your syllabus, that is odd man out, and that too non-verbal. Students, what is meant by verbal and non-verbal? No, non-verbal is nothing but which consists of only figures and diagrams, as I told in the first class. For example, analogy, Sainik, we have learned no everything in the words, like Ahmedabad, Mumbai, and the next they'll give everything in the words. But non-verbal is nothing but mental ability is your non-verbal. Non-verbal is nothing but which consists of only diagrams. Okay, everything will be in the diagram. That is all about your this one. What is that? Mental ability. Student, actually it is very easy to score out only if you have a patience. Here the very required and very important is your patience and sorry, I was got disconnected. So what is that is what I'm going to tell. Here mental ability is very easy, guys. It is very easy only if you have a concentration. You should be very patient to solve. And see, yes, I do agree, when we get the question paper and when we have an exam, we will feel more fear, isn't it like that, where we need to answer for everything like that. So you should not be like that. You should be very patient, and it's everything is based on your vision power. Okay, you have to concentrate, and my like suggestion is to read the directions once or twice or more than twice, not a problem. Read the direction, according to the direction plan accordingly. Okay, that is what about this one. Yes, while moving into second chapter, let us move on to the second chapter. The second chapter for your syllabus is figure matching. Okay, students, I'll teach you what is figure matching, what is the procedure of that, how to solve everything. If you have any doubt, you can kindly raise your hand, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat session. Guys, what is this figure matching? As the name says, matching. See, we are doing from kindergarten, isn't it? They'll give apple, mango, ball, cat. In the same way, here also they'll be messed up, where we were marking that, putting a long line and small arrow mark, isn't it? That is what match the following. We all did in LKG, UKG, first standard, second standard, isn't it, guys? Match the following. That is the same chapter, but little complicated. Now my children are little big, no, so the little complicated chapter. So I'll teach you what is meant by figure matching. So let me move on to a second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. So students, let me give the introduction to the chapter. See, problems on similarity. See, one more thing you have to keep in mind. Similarity, figure matching, one and the same. Okay, if they give similarity, you should not confuse. The other name for figure matching is similarity. Okay, what is the other name for similarity? It is figure matching. So the problems on similarity involves the search of similar condition in the alternative as indicated in the problems figure. So it is very easy, students. I'll tell you. See, this is what the problem figure. On the left hand side, they will give you problem figure. And here, four options as answer figure. That is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. So what is your work is to know? Your work is to, you have to find same question figure in the answer figure. That's all. Nothing else. Nothing. You should not even think also like it is rotating in the clockwise based on sides. Nothing. Okay. There we will give the question figure. You have to find out the same question figure, but one condition, there should not be one single point difference also. Whatever it is in the question, you have to need to find out the same in the answer figure. Should not even a single dot. That is what the rule. Okay, so it is very easy. I'll teach you again what is figure matching. Figure matching, the first definition, figure matching is also called as similarity. Okay, the first thing, figure matching is also called as similarity. So how to solve? They will give the problem figure and left hand side, and the right hand side they will give the answer figure. That is option 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is our work is to know? Our work is to, we have to find out the same question figure in the answer figure. That's all. But the condition is, you should not difference, there should not be a difference of single dot also. That is about your this chapter. How questions are asked in figure matching? The same thing. In each of the following, a figure is given on the left hand side, that is called as problem figure. Find the same figure. Okay, find the same figure at the four alternatives, that is option 1, 2, 3 at the right boxes. That's all. Okay, I'll repeat again. So similarity andre, it is also called as figure matching. You should not get confused if they give figure matching or similarity, one and the same. And how to solve? They'll give the problem figure followed by answer figure. So what is your work is to? Your work is to, you have to find out the same figure. I'll teach you with the example. Okay, so listen here. What are the methods we have to follow? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. So what are the methods we have to follow for that? So methods of solving. Look carefully the shape of the design. You have the first point. You have to look carefully the design, whether it is increasing, whether it is decreasing, or it is rotating in the clockwise, or how many lines are there, and what is the position of that. That is what you have to carefully listen to that figure. Okay, for example, how many dots it is having, how many lines it is having, like that. The second one, study the problem carefully. That is what you have to study the problem figure carefully. That if you find out the problem figure carefully only, you are able to find out the answer figure. Okay, like whether it is increasing or decreasing, whether it is rotating or shaded or not, or any point is there or anything else. So you have to find out that problem figure carefully. If you don't know to find that problem figure, obviously it is very difficult to find out the answer figure. So it is very necessary to study the problem figure. So the third point, match the answer with the problem figure one by one. So students, see here, I know you people are too brilliant and you will score good marks in mental ability. I know what my students are. But when we are solving in the tuition or in the home, or when you have a time when you are solving, no, you have to go through each and every option. So students, see, since it is the first question, first problem. So I'll give you the four options. You have to go through option 1, and you have to think, if it is not the answer, you should start telling the reason why it is not the answer. See, for example, you should tell the reason, ma'am, because it is rewards to that, ma'am, or it is left to that, Like you have to go to the second option. Oh, it is not the answer. Why? Because it is in different direction. Like that, you have to go through different. Okay, you have to go through each and every option. Okay, you have to go through each and every option. As soon as seeing the question, you should not tick the answer. Okay, for example, I'll look. You see the book now. I'll see the book. As soon as seeing the book, I should question. I should not tick the answer. What is the work is to work is to go through each and every option. Go through option one and check why it is not the answer, and start telling the reason for that why it is not the answer. Go to the option one, check whether it is increasing or decreasing, like that. And the next one is, see, students, it looks very easy. Don't take the question too lightly. I mean, hey, this chapter, we know, ma'am, we are doing this. No, you should not take that. Each and every chapter, you should concentrate and you should take seriously and solve this particular chapter. This is what about your methods of solving. So, students, the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. Figure matching is nothing but they will give the problem figure followed by 4 answers figure. Your work is to, you have to find out the same problem figure and the answer figure without any changes, not even a single dot. Okay, and these are the methods of solving that you have to look carefully and study the problem carefully, and then answer to the problem one by one. That is what, as soon as seeing the question, don't tick the answer. Go through each and every question and check the answer, and don't take the question too lightly. Ma'am, this chapter easy chapter, ma'am, we know that. No, you should not do that. Even though it is easy chapter, you have to take first. Okay, student, I'll give you one example. Listen here, this is how we have to solve a question and answers. This is how you will get the question. See, this is about your, okay, this is called problem figure. Okay, I told you, right, left hand side they will give one figure called problem figure, and the right hand side they will give you 4 figure, that is option 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is our work is to, our work is to, we have to find out the same problem figure. And Preeti, Mahesh, what's wrong with you? Hmm.
Ma'am, the answer is second one, no, ma'am.
Huh? Answer is,
Second one.
so you have raised your hand. Hmm? You have a chat session for that, right, Preeti? If you have any doubt, hope you, I know that you can understand English. If you have any doubt, you have to raise your hand. If you have any doubt, you have to raise your hand. Okay. So listen here. That is what, students, see, if you have any doubt only, you have to kindly raise your hand. Otherwise, let me understand properly. You have one more, right? You have chat session. You can send in the chat session. So students, I told you what does mean by this. No, what is that? No, see here we have to find out same answer figure. Look here, a small right angle triangle and small chota triangle to the right hand side. Why not to the first answer? Because there are 2 triangles. So it is not the answer. Welcome to the second one. See, a right angle triangle and the chota triangle. Yes, it is the answer. While coming to this now, why it is not the answer? Because the chota circle towards opposite side. The chota circle is towards opposite side. So it is not the answer. And fourth one, it is not different answer. So it is not the answer. This is how we have to find out. See, even I know. Even I can say, as soon as displaying the question, I know option 2. But you have to start telling the reason. Why not the first one? Ma'am, because in the first one there are 2 triangles. That 2 small big triangle. So it is not the answer. Let us come to the second one. In second one triangle and then chota circle to the left side. Okay, towards the right side. See here in the question figure also the same. Whereas here it is same, but the chota triangle is towards opposite side, the flipping outside. Whereas the fourth one is different. So what is our work is to, the procedure of the chapter is to, we have to find out the same figure. Therefore, option 2 is your answer. Is there any doubt? This is how you have to solve a figure matching problem based on figure matching. Is there any doubt? Arshit, Karthik, Kushal, Preetam, Preeti, Shreyas, Sujat, Yogesh, Adarsh, Abhishek. Is there any doubts? Understanding what I'm teaching? Understanding what I'm teaching? Yes, guys. Yes, let me move on to the second one now. So look at this second one, guys. Look at this second one. I'll teach you. Okay, if you know the answer also, I'll teach you. So we have to see that this circles. Okay, circles. See here, this is into mark and then it is plus mark. Okay, it is into mark and this is plus mark. And this line is flowing up and down. Okay, it is flowing up and down. So students, see why it is not the answer? Because it is, yes, it is into and here also it is into. It should be plus. So it is not the answer. Let me move on to the second one. Obviously it is wrong. It should be up to down. But here it is down to up. So it is not the answer. Why not the third one? And third one, see here, the first should be multiplication symbol. But here it is the plus symbol. So third one is not also answer. Fourth one, yes, let me check here. Multiplication symbol, yes, multiplication symbol. And then addition symbol, yes, addition symbol. Flowing from top to bottom, yes, it is flowing from top to bottom. So what is the answer? What is the answer now? So therefore, option 4 is your answer. This is how you have to check. You have to see the same problem figure. So students, keep in mind this question is given 2 times. That is in 1993 when I also didn't born. Okay, 1993 and 2017. This shows they may give this type of question, the repeated question also. Did you understand? Understanding what I'm teaching? Is there any doubts? No need to write. I'll post it. Whatever the notes, no, I'll post it. Whenever it is necessity of exam test, you can open that and read. Okay. Okay. Let me move. Everyone, you can say your answer in the chat session. Okay. I'll be saying chat session. Look at the next question now. Wow, smiley face. We all know that smiley face. It is like that itself, right? Look here. Your smiley face, one eye is closing and one eye is opening, and then arrow towards left to right. Very good breathing. Arrow towards left to right. And why not the first one is answer? Because the arrow is moving left to right. That is right to left. So it is not the answer. Well, coming to the third one, second one. So one right left eyes is closing and then one open and the arrow is moving the same direction. Let's compare with question and answer figure. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Therefore, option 2 is your answer. Why not the third one? Because it is look at that eyes. Eyes are different direction. Why not the fourth one? Again, the fourth one also the eyes are different. So which one is your answer? Therefore, option 2 is your answer. Arshit, option 4 answer. Look here, one eye is closed on left hand side. It is opened on left hand side. That is what you have to see the question carefully. So therefore, guys, which is the answer? Therefore, option 2 is your answer. So that is what you have to be very patient and you have to check each and every option, guys. As soon as seeing the question, yes, that is what I told you. No, don't take the question too lightly. This is, ma'am, this chapter, we know that, ma'am. Yes, don't do that careless. It is when sometime, no, we know that that is easy and we know that particular chapter and that chapter only we will make mistake. Why? The word called overconfidence. So you should not do that. Okay. Let's well move on to the next one now. Yes, look at this, guys. Look at this. Let me know. Look at this here. What is the answer now? What is the answer? It is option. Why not option 1? Why not option 1? Why not option 1? It is option 1 or 3. It is option 1 or 3 now. It is 1 or 3. Look here. Count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then small one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then small one. Yes. Let me compare to 3 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But everything is correct. What is the difference between 1 and 3 now? Let me know who will tell. What is the difference between 1 and 3? Look, what is the option? That is option 3. Why? Because see how many squares are drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square and then 1 chota one. Okay, very good. That is inside the box, 1 chota one. Why not this first one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is 4. So therefore, which one is the answer? Option 3. Circle designs and second one and third ones are corner. So second one, third one, there is no corner at all. So therefore, which one is your answer? That is option 3 is your answer. That is what I told you, no? Your concentration matters a lot, and then your vision power. Everything is based on vision power and your concentration on the question. Okay, is there any doubts now? It's Kushwant. Kushal understanding. Kushal. Amog Anil Kumar. Let us move to the next one now. So guys, let me know the answer now. Yes, let me know the answer for this now. Yes. That is option 3. See why? Because a one pinned that is moving from left to right and then the arrow is moving from left to right. Let us see. The one should be to the left and then this one. So it is like different. Leave it off. This one is different. There is a confusion between these two. Look here. The arrow mark. See here also and then arrow mark towards same. Okay, while as fourth one, it is different. The arrow mark are different. Therefore, option 3 is your answer. Someone is having a doubt. That is, I expected Aditya Gautam. Yes, Aditya.
Well, yesterday I am posting to the share on WhatsApp,
Come again.
but there is not the option to the group. Ma'am, yesterday I am posting to the group link,
Extremely sorry, I'm not able to hear what you are telling. I'm not able to understand what you are telling. Please, pardon, please come again.
ma'am, yesterday I am posting to you means there is not their option.
Posting to you now. What you are posting?
The assignment.
Assignment. Yesterday. What's the date for the assignment? You should not post in the this one. WhatsApp, you have to post in that one itself, app itself. It's on your end. Yes, Lohit.
Excuse me, ma'am. In first option, arrow is up, ma'am. And second option, arrow is side, ma'am. And third is down, ma'am. And third and fourth is up.
Sir, it is not like that. Arrows are not like that. You have to find out the same question figure, not changing anything. You have to find out the same question figure. You have to find out the answer figure, like match the following. Nothing else. It is not like arrow down, up, right, left. Same figure. See in the third figure, arrow, and here also pinned arrow, and then it is moving from left to right. Here also moving from left to right. What is that doubt? No.
Yes, no, ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I understand.
You should find out the same question figure. You should not even change a single dot also. Okay. Guys, is there any doubt? Lohit raised on your hand. Is there any doubt for everyone? Let me move on to the next question now. Yes, let me know the answers now. Look here. Three zeros and then one circle. Why not the first one? There are two circles, so it is not the answer. And then it has option 2. Why not option 4? All are circle. Whereas option 2, there are two circles. So therefore, which looks similar without any difference, that is option 2. Very good. Therefore, it is option 2. Did you understand? See, here they have given three zeros. Okay, three zeros and then one square. Here, why not it is answer? There are two squares. So it is not the answer. Why not it is? Yes, see, 1, 2, 3 and then one square. And then why not this? All are square. Why not this one? There are two square and two circle. Therefore, which look similar to here, that one is problem figure. Therefore, option 2 is your answer. Is there any doubts in this particular chapter now? So students, I'll revise you once. The second chapter, what we have learned in mental ability, that is figure matching. Okay, what is that? The second chapter, figure matching. It is also called as similarity. Okay, it is also called as similarity. If they give you, find out the question from figure similarity, you should not confuse. Similarity, make a note, similarity and then figure matching, one are the same. What is the procedure? They will give you one problem figure followed by four answer figure. Okay, what is our work is to? Our work is to, you have to find out the same answer figure. Okay, you have to find out the same answer figure, same question figure in the answer figure without any changes. Okay, you have to find out same question figure in the answer figure without any changes. So this is your problem figure and followed by four option, not even a single dot. Like match the following we are doing in LKG and UKG. No, they'll give apple, apple, orange. You have to match that same. Instead of matching here, everything based on concentration. Student, to solve this particular chapter, you have to concentrate and then you have to have vision power. Okay, you have to concentrate a lot. Okay, and this chapter looks very easily, but when you are solving you will make mistakes. So I don't want my students to score, I want my students to score out of 4. So that go through each and every option. As soon as seeing the question, don't check the answer. Okay, go through option 1, check why it is not and start reasoning and go to option 2. See how it's no. See here, look option 1 and why not it is not the answer. Why? Because in the answer figure they are given with the 3 bubbles, but here there are only 2 bubbles, hence it is not the answer. Now go to the second one. Yes, in the question figure they are given with the 3 bubbles and then 1 square. Here also 3 square, 1 square. 3 circle, 1 square. Hence it is correct answer. Come to the third one. Here everything is circle. It is not the answer. And fourth one, like that you have to go through each and every option and you have to tick the answer. It is very, very easy. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? With this, we have completed with your second chapter in your mental ability, that is figure matching. Okay, I'll give you more assignment problem. You can solve that and you can submit. Today I won't submit. I'll submit on Monday because there is some technical issues in the app, so that I can't upload that. I'll upload it on Monday. Is there any doubts in this particular chapter now?